If you don't already have any sort of plan, actually, even if you have a plan for TradingView, now is the time to go ahead and basically get your money's worth by doing it during the Black Friday sale. And so every Black Friday, right around this time, I have it on the calendar to come and look at what the current sales are, and then I'll grab it. And sometimes, if you do it just right, you can end up getting a year, year and a half, year and almost 2 years worth back to back for the same price as 1 year if you get it. So 70% off for premium. And I think premium is well worth it. And now is the time, $217 for 13 months. And this, if I buy it now, it's going to just tack on. You know, it actually tells you at the very bottom. It says my current plan has 222 days remaining, and it'll be combined with the premium plan if I buy it right now, 617 days. So that's what I'm talking about in regards to if you go ahead and buy it now, it'll just continue stacking up and you're just getting the best deal. Just keep it going. What do I find a benefit for the current, the premium plan? All the alerts, number one. I trade multiple pairs of currencies, and so having multiple alerts all throughout each individual currency pair is really, really nice. There might be some other things in regards to, how many screens you can have and all this other stuff. So it's like for 70% off, it's well worth it. So that's what I'm talking about now. I'm gonna have 617 days. It's gonna push me all the way out to August 2026. And then the premium plan, regular price, $653. So that is almost a third of what the actual plan costs. And if you tune in for any point in time, YouTube's going to recommend something over there based upon you. So go check it out.